Today's video is all about showing you guys the in-depth analysis on 4 new positions that we have opened up in the small portfolio account, as you will see here. So in today's video, we're going to break down the numbers, look at the charts, look at the data, talk about how much we got paid out as I was selling 3 cash secured puts and 1 cover call. So if you are excited for today's video, as always, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn those bell notifications for all future uploads. So we'll get into the first position that you will see here. Now, before we get into that, again, take a look at the portfolio. Year to date, we are up over 40%, which is absolutely awesome on the year so far. I could not be more happy with those returns. A little bit of a pullback here recently, but that's, again, part of what the market is going to be doing here. So what I want to look at first is the covered call position, then go into the cash secured puts positions that we sold afterwards. Again, 4 positions total. And as you will see, the cover call that we have taken a look at here is UiPath. Now, if you watched the video from a couple days ago, I already did a cover call on UiPath playing on earnings. And with that play on earnings, I was able to make some very, very good money. This one was a $15 call option that I sold here. If you take a look at the previous trade I made here, it was also a $15 call option, as you'll see here. We sold one for $45 and we bought it back for $4 after earnings, made a $41 profit. Now, UiPath had a very, very big move today, up as high as over 11%, almost 12, a little over 12% actually at the time of recording this. And that to me is your good signal to look at selling covered calls, because your IV, it might be expanding a little bit, but you also get the premium increase as well. As you'll see, it's already pulled back a little bit for the night, which means that that cover call is going to lose a little bit of value. And you're probably sitting there saying, Fridge, where did you come up with this kind of position? Well, and take a look, first of all, at UiPath on my levels here, my Fibonacci levels I chart out myself. You can see that it had a big green candle here today. Software did very, very well. You had ServiceNow up a lot. You had Salesforce up a lot. UiPath up a lot. All of these software stocks were doing very well. Adobe is another one that did very, very well. But as you can see, it seems like it hit a little bit of a resistance period here. So it looks like it kind of got stuck at about these golden ratio Fibonacci levels, 61.8%, in between the 50 and the 61.8 level here. So it looks like there's a little bit of resistance at around $13-ish or so. And people are saying, well, Fridge, how come you don't do $13 first strike? Why would you do 15 and not 13, 50 or 14? Well, again, 13, you're at the money already, which we don't want to do here. I want to give you a little bit of upside potential, as you'll see here. But also the other thing that I wanted to show you guys, again, and this is part of what I'm doing now, and I'm using this website here, it is all about Trader Daddy. Now, Trader Daddy, again, I've made a video about this before, and I'm going to continue to make videos and use these guys because they have some amazing, amazing software. Again, you can type in the ticker symbol PATH to look at the stock you're looking at here. And the expiration for that trade there is June 18th. As you'll see, it is very, very bullish right now, which means there's probably still some upside potential, which is why I wouldn't want to go at the money at a $13 one. I want to go a little bit higher up, $14, $15, $16, as we're seeing as the stock hopefully goes higher, right? And as we're taking a look here, you can see that has a ceiling of about $15 here. So again, that's kind of where I got my thesis behind a $15 strike price. The expected move, as you will see here, is 14.71. Again, right below that $15 strike price that we see there. And again, on top of that, you also take a look and see that our call gamma wall basically treats it as a level of resistance, is also at $15. So those are kind of the ways I was looking at it as to why I lined up. Also with my own Fibonacci levels, of course, not just using the software only, but the software really does help with my thesis and my logic to it. Now, there is so much data you can take a look at here about if it's a bullish move, if it's a bearish move, what the levels are looking like. And if you're sitting there and you're saying, Fridge, this is a lot of information and a lot of data, I don't quite know how to begin, they have what's called AI analysis, which again, to me, I think is very, very cool. All you do is you click this button here and it runs through Trader Lady, who's the AI agent that helps out here, does an entire analysis on the data provided to you with the options chain, and it gives you potential plays. Again, none of this is financial advice, and I do get paid out a percentage based on whoever signs up. So I have to disclose that, of course. But this is very, very interesting software that I love using. And again, it breaks down the whole thing about how it's a bullish bias. Bullish bias, you looking at different types of potential plays here, as you will see here. $15 strike, $14 strike for call options, $11 puts, $12 strike. It breaks down everything here for you, and it gives you a nice little write-up to help you really start to understand what numbers to look at as you go. So that is always there for you. That to me is very, very cool. And I very much enjoy reading up on making sure that my thesis kind of lines up also with that one as well, which is very, very cool. Now, if you are somebody who is looking at going into Trader Daddy, you want to join into it here, it's $35 a month for the premium version. But if you sign up with my code, you are able to get 3 days of a free trial offer to see if you like it or not. And if you add promo code FRIDGE, FRIDGE, you actually get a 50% discount for the first month. So instead of the premium being $35, you pay $17.50. And if you like it, you'll pay the full price. Afterwards, you want to keep renewing it. And if it's worth it to you, then you can continue to use it after that. So you can use discount code FRIDGE for 50% off of your first month. That to me, I think is a very, very good deal. And again, for example, looking at my trades, again, UiPath, this one cover call I sold here using Trader Daddy already paid for the membership and then some. So I sold another one for $39. And again, I have a calculator here keeping track of the premiums that we are collecting from this from these 4 trades here. So that was, in fact, one of them. That is the cover call position. And again, I don't mind selling them off at $15. Again, selling cover calls, you want to sell for a profit. My average, as we know, is like $10.60. Selling at $15, really good returns. Can't complain. Now, onto the cash secured put side of things. Here we have 3 positions that we sold some cash secured puts with. First one, I'm going to work my way from the top down here, is EOSE, which is an energy play. We sold a cash secured put for $34 at an $8 strike price, which again is almost a 6% return between now and June 18th. So we can actually add that into our premiums here. So add the 44, we're at $83 right now in premiums. And you're probably sitting there saying the same thing, Fridge, this is a very high implied volatility stock. What made you pick this as an option? As you will see, I did it 6 hours ago. And I hate to say it, but again, it kind of goes back not only to my levels of my Fibonacci's, but it also goes back into Trader Daddy. Now, where are we getting this from? Well, if we take a look at EOSE, if it wants to out, there we go. Take a look at EOSE, again, going all the way out to June 18th. Same kind of thing you're seeing here. Very, very strong bullish sentiment here, which again is good for cash secured puts. Cash secured puts are a bullish move, right? You don't want to go to $8. It's got the momentum behind it. You see Max Bean is at $8, which is where I sold my cash secured put at. Pin strike is 10. Flip bubble is at 820, is at 897 when it closed. Take a look, again, a lot more bullish momentum there. Expected move is between 1047 and 747 between now and June 18th. And again, my break even is 756. So I'm basically going to be about break even if the expected move is going to go down to 747. And as you can see here, we have the put wall here. The put wall here, the put gamma wall is at $8 as well. And the gamma flip, which is where you kind of go from a bullish sentiment to a bearish one, is at $8.20. And you had a nice bullish candle there today at the time of recording this. So I like the setup for that reason. Okay, now the other thing we can look at for all these stocks, I'm not going to do it for every single one here. It'll be like a 35-minute video. Is that also when you take a look up top here, they also have a screener, which is cash secured puts, which to me is very, very cool. It does a nice formula and tells you a score as to how high the score is. Higher the score, the better off it's going to be. It gives you a grade. And you can also set your own filters as well, and it gives you some tips as you are selling cash secured puts throughout the process. So you got a cash secured filter 1 for me, for example. You hit run screener, and it's going to run through all of the filters that you set up for your account. You set them, you save them, they're all for you. And again, it does some very, very cool things. It breaks down the return on capital. It breaks down your implied volatility. It breaks down the grade. It tells you the score. It tells you the strike price, the expiration date. As you will see, for example, one of the ones that I'm going to get to in just a minute is SMR, which is a $12 strike price here. How much you get for a premium, days expiration, and a score, and how clear we are of earnings. A very, very cool tool that I will be using a lot to take advantage of. So I did it for EOSE for one of the filters, and that's what that one was looking like. If you take a look at also, again, the fib levels I just drew out for this one here, you can kind of see it's kind of got this level of 880 here. And if they can hold above 880, then we're looking pretty good for this cash scare put to expire with this. A lot of bullish momentum, it looks like, over the recent weeks. So I'm very, very happy to see that one. Now, again, Doug, you were saying, or like I was saying, not like you were saying, like I was saying, I did one on SMR, as you will see here, $12 cash care put. We're about $80 right now. I only was able to get assigned it for, or I was only able to sell it for 74, as you'll see there. So we're going to add that into our premiums, just like so. And we got that all factored in. And again, it breaks down how that grade, that trade is lined up from a technical perspective, not financial advice. From a technical perspective, it's got a very good return on capital per week. I like to have a little bit of a DTE. These short ones here, I'm not as big of fans of. That's just me personally. Very high IV, but a very high score as well with a grade of an A. So I'm taking a setup, $12 strike price. It's got the momentum there for it. So I went ahead, sold it, and I'm hoping to get the momentum swing as we go up more and more and more. As you will see with this trade here, my break even is at 1126. And take a look at my Fibonacci levels for SMR. We're looking at 1126. As you will see, if it goes back down to about 1108 as a possible line of support, I'm going to be still about break even on the position after getting assigned the shares, which again is not the end of the world to be break even when you get assigned the shares. You just bought the shares for a little bit of a discount, which is very, very good. And again, take a look at the option screener. We can go over to the ticker here, and you can go to SMR. Sorry, I lose my voice a little bit here. It's been a long day. Again, still very, very strong bullish sentiment, as you will see. Max pain is at $13. Pinstrike is at 14. Flip level, the gamma flips at 1146. Again, which is where you kind of go from that bullish sentiment to that bear sentiment, as you'll see. Very, very high IV skew for bullish, which is very good. Downside 1057, upside 1521. A lot more calls than puts. And as you can see here by these levels, call wall is at 14. We have the gamma flip at 1146, and my break even is 1126. So again, using the data to my advantage to help me with these positions here. The last one that we went ahead and did was also SMCI. Now, I found SMCI very undervalued for a long time. It's had a pretty good move in recent weeks, which I kind of missed out on, which is just part of the trading experience. But I went ahead and sold a $45 cash secure put, as you will see here, and I collected a total of $262 there. So in total, today alone, $419 collected in premiums for selling these options here. And what we're looking at here is for it to go to $45 is where you get assignment, and break even is $42.38. Take a look at my fib levels, same thing. Again, I'm kind of thinking this logic of we're in the golden zone of the Fibonacci's of 61.8 to 50%. So my hope by now is that we kind of consolidate between these two levels here. Again, if it consolidates and holds above 43.27, that's basically going to be a profitable trade for me overall, as my break even is 42.38, which is good. As you will see, it has had some consolidation periods in these two levels before. This one was, again, more consolidation. Not as much back then as much, but consolidation here, a little bit here, a little bit there. And I'm kind of hoping for the same thing to get that consolidation here as well when the momentum starts to kind of fizzle out a little bit. But again, take a look at Trader Daddy's, going to their website, going on to SMCI. You can see, again, bullish momentum is there, which is what you want because, again, cash care puts are bullish positions. And you can take a look and see all the different values, how the bullish sentiment's lining up here. And what, again, I like about it is that my put gamma flip right now, my gamma flip's at 44.51, and my put gamma wall is 44.50. So, again, if I get assigned at $45, I will still be profitable because my break even is 42.38. So I'll still be below that gamma put wall that you see there on Trader Daddies. Again, if you are somebody who's looking to sign up, all you got to do, you click on the link down below in the description. Again, I am a paid affiliate for this. Click on the link down below in the description, use code FRIDGE, and you get 50% off of your first month. And if you hate it, you just don't have to use it ever again. But this thing right here, again, I used it, and I'm hoping to collect $419. That will pay for over 10 months of almost the whole year, probably. Let's take a look. What is it? $34.99? Basically pays for the whole year. I could pay for the whole year of Trader Daddy in just one day by hoping that these contracts go in the direction. So feel free, again, use the link down below, sign up, discount code FRIDGE gives you 50% off your first month. And it is something that I think is worth a try. And if you don't like it, you can always cancel it afterwards. But again, I feel like you won't cancel it. That's just my 2 cents. But that is it for today's video. We have 4 new positions that we have opened up here. Again, including $400 of premiums in hopes that we can be able to maximize our potential here. I will update you guys on these positions as we continue to go out throughout the weeks. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did make this far in the video, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn those bell notifications as per usual. Take a look at the Fridge Financial memberships as well. We just gave some away on our live stream the other day. Take a look at what we offer over on the Fridge Financials YouTube channel. Hopefully, it has made money in the market in some way, shape, or form, whether it's through Trader Daddy, using the discount code, or you're just following the Fridge Financials way to become financially free. Again, not financial advice, of course, but hopefully the education is useful to whoever's watching this. Thank you guys again so much for watching. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video.